Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I'm back today with my Life is Lovely. It is a homemade, I bought the bits and pieces and put it together. So this is my menu and fitness planner. I did not do last week, so I'm going to take that 9 off. And I'm going to let it go. I did not get it done. Last week was really, really crazy for us. There was a lot going on personally as well as everything else that we had going on. So, yeah, and then we had the apocalypse of all of our technology. So that was interesting, or at least I did. Hold on. I am trying to find my pen. Here, I've got one. I'll use it right here. So Monday is the 17th. We have a big text deadline. 18th. 19th, 20, 21, 22, and 23. So, let's get to planning. So, I am not using a lot of stickers for this. I did put a little bit on here, but I am not going to use a whole lot. I need more space to plan. So, I'm saving my grocery receipts in here so I can pull them out and look at them and focus on what I need to be doing. So, for that week. So, alright guys, I also got this new cookbook in the mail, and I seriously don't even remember ordering this. This must have been one that was like a pre-order. So, this is the Ultimate Vegan Cookbook for your iPod. I've had an iPod for over a year, and I have never turned it on one time. When I was a little girl, my grandmother scared me to death of pressure canners. She told me a story of when she used a pressure canner and it spewed and it went all over the ceiling and it was dangerous and all those good things. So I'm hunkering down. I'm gonna learn 2 recipes this week from this cookbook. So it's a really beautiful cookbook. I haven't had much time to read. It does give you some basic information, which I need all that. And I mean, this isn't a bad thing for me to learn on things that I'm familiar with, like steel cut oats, because then I know how it would turn out and all that kind of good stuff. But let me pick something that, you know what? Let's do all the beans soup. And I think I'm going to do that Tuesday because, and that'll be for dinner. So all the beans soup. That is on page 82. So I'm going to just put iPod 82. And I know what that is. Okay. So I don't have my little flags here with me. Let me see what I have over here. Well, I've got a whole thing. There we go. This will work. Alright, so I'm just going to use these. Ooh, something's in there. And then I just tear them. I know, I'm cheap. Oh, well, I'm so cheap I lost it. Oh my gosh, that was hilarious. Okay, let's see what else we can find. So I've got that. Ooh, that looks good. Black quinoa burgers, yum. Perfect kemet, long cooking grains. I don't know. I kind of want to do something more than just cook a grain. I want it to be savory or sweet, or you know what I mean. I mean, I want it to be yummy. Whole grain cornbread. Think about that one. I just not baked sweet potatoes. How long does that take? Hold on. 10 minutes. I love sweet potatoes. Do y'all love sweet potatoes? They are just like total comfort food for me. So I'm going to do that for lunch on Wednesday. I just bought some beautiful baked sweet potatoes. And that is what I'm going to do. I may flip this one to Thursday. We'll see. I have doctor's appointments Wednesday morning, so we have a brand new restaurant They have vegan food, and it's a drive-through. They have it also in San Antonio. It's called Earth Burger, and there's one in San Marcos, and I love it. I've had the barbecue jackfruit pulled, it's like, you know, pulled barbecue jackfruit sandwich. It is amazing. I've had a little green kale salad on the side, fantastic. I did get the French fries the other day, not as good. And it's probably their French fries are fantastic. I just don't eat fried food anymore, so it's probably a me thing. And then, oh, the really naughty thing, I got us a brownie, a vegan brownie, and we divided it 3 ways. It was fantastic. And if we'd had any more than a third of it, I would have been in sugar coma. It was just so good. It took so little to satiate. And then the other thing they have, because I always stop and get my unsweet green Trenta iced tea at Starbucks, and they sell a 32-ounce mint green unsweet tea. Bam. That is so good. So, cheaper than Starbucks and all that. So, yeah, I am super happy. So, on that day, Wednesday, I may end up stopping to eat there because every week I try to think of a reason why I have to go there. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. I don't have any Brussels sprouts right now, but I have pecans. You know what? I have it all. I'm just going to do it. Okay, so smoky pecan Brussels sprouts. Let's see. I'll do it here on Thursday night. Smoky pecan Brussels sprouts. And I have to tell you, oh, it's Brussels. Isn't that funny? How we say things that we don't know. I am just going to jump in with both my feet. I'm just going to learn this silly machine. I love my grandmother, but she has scared the tar out of me, so I've just never done it. Okay. I'm just going to go through this a little bit more so you guys can see some of this yumminess. Ooh, cream of asparagus soup. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's done. You know what I like about this one? It actually gives you the protein. It gives you the, you know, the nutritional information. Some just don't. You know what I mean? Oh, so I'm going to put this up here for lunch. Healthy cream of asparagus. And by cream, it's a plant-based cream, you know. But this looks so yummy. It has cauliflower in it. It has, oh gosh, asparagus, vegetable bouillon, garlic, onion, minced onion. Oh my goodness. So some of this you saute ahead, a strip of lemon peel, thyme, and bay leaf, and then at the end, once it's cooked, you, I'm sure, puree it. Yep, blender for puree, which I have a body mix that works well. So IP, and this is on page 126. Oh my goodness. Yum. Okay, so far, winner, not a chicken, faux dinner, or faux chicken dinner. Okay, snowy day potato cabbage soup. Yum. My oldest was calling me the other day and saying, how did we used to make that colcarn? I can't remember. It was like potato and cabbage. It was so good. And I believe it was like Canadian bacon. It was really good. Not our thing now, but it's still good for those who can eat it. That is the one thing I do want to try. Vegan cauliflower queso. So this sweet gal on our at this restaurant was telling me about, because I told her how much I miss cheese, and so she was telling me of a specific recipe, and she said try the quesos. You might be able to, you might like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it, and if we go out of town, I'll take it with us. So this is going to be vegan cauliflower queso. And this is the IP, page 138. Okay, I'm done with this book. I'm not going to do anything more. I'm going to save the rest for another week. And I do have my other Simply Vegan cookbook, but I am going to have such a busy week. I'm not going to try anything else new. I think that's enough. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 recipes plus, you know, utensil to learn how to, or what do you call it, an appliance to learn how to use. I think we're good. So I'm going to come back in here and put Monday's oats and fruit. Tuesday is, I'm usually just doing fruit, aren't I? Oh, I've got all my muffins and things. So I'm going to do my English muffins. Okay. And fruit. And then I'm going to come back with oats and raisins. Some kind of a raisin, whether it be a cran raisin or anything else. And then I will come back in here and do my protein. I have protein bread. And I will toast it and put peanut butter on it. I know, it's really good. If you haven't had toasted bread with peanut butter, it's amazing. And I used to even like put the peanut butter on it and then toast it. Crazy good. So, and then we'll be going out of town probably on that Friday, at least my husband and I. So I will just do oats again. Okay, here we go. Saturday and Sunday, we will be out. And I'm just going to leave that whole area open. I will probably take some of this vegan cauliflower with us. So I'm going to put that there. The vegan cauliflower queso. I'm going to take that with us. And chips. And I have these wonderful red lentil chips and flaxseed. They're insanely good. So we're going to go out to, we're going to be at Bible study Monday night. So we will probably pick up, we just pick up dinner out. I'm just going to put out. For the snack, I have got a ton of cantaloupe I bought on sale. So I need to go ahead and use that up. Eat that up. Not use it up, but eat it up. And then, let's see, for lunch, we have some, I can't do 2 carbs, so I'm going to have to figure out something. High protein. Oh, goodness gracious. You know what the best thing about when you write your menus down? You can go back and look at them. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Oh, I know what I want. I want stuffed peppers. Stuffed peppers. Yum. And then for the snack, I'll have my kombucha. And up here I'm going to have my Plexus and my vitamin water. I'll have my Fit water here. And then I just water. So I've got 1, 2, 3, yeah, 10's good. And then I've got my AM. Let's see what I was doing. AM and my Vit water. So VW and then my PM. AM, Vit water, PM. AM, Vit water, PM. So they are really ripping it up downstairs. I can hear them. I don't know what they're doing, but even though we'll be traveling, I still do all these same things. Still have to do it. Whoops. My W went crazy there. Okay, so that's all done. We're going to eat out that night. Then on Tuesday, I will do for lunch, we'll just do oh gosh, guys, I'm just really having a hard time with this. I've been doing a lot of videos, can you tell? I'm just like blanking out. Oh, I've got some leftover Indian food from today. Leftover Indian. Okay, and I misspelled Indian. There we go. Okay, and then I'm going to do for snacks, I've got tons of dried fruit. So I'm going to do some dried fruit. water and plexus. And then I've got my fit water. And then for here, I've got tons of apples. So I'm going to make some stewed apples. I love stewed apples. And they're just so easy to make. And this is my plexus water. And then, yeah, okay, so we're now on Thursday. So for lunch, I'm going to have leftovers. I do a lot of leftovers, guys. We don't throw away anything. Anything we cannot throw away, we don't throw away. But you can only keep leftovers. I think basically the rule is 3 days in a fridge. But if you reheat it every single day, you could keep it endlessly. That's how restaurants do it. So, anyways, but you've got to be sure that you really heat it all the way through. And then on Friday for lunch, I'm just going to do leftovers because I'm going to have that yummy soup. And, oh, I put leftovers in my snacks. Oh my gosh. Well, maybe I will have some of those because I will have some leftover sweet potatoes and I can eat those for a snack. What am I even worried about? I can have some cream of asparagus soup there and I will be perfect. Okay, and then I think we will be out. Okay, so I'm going to put my kombucha across here. And I'm just going to put com. You guys know what that is. With the B. And that way I'll know. Com. And then com. And I literally do this every single day. At least one glass or a... Ooh, whoops. Or if I have one of these, I'll grab one of these. Ooh, sorry, I had to have some of that. Okay. Let's see. So for dinner Wednesday night, I'm going to do, I think we're just going to do, I have some pesto pre-made in my freezer and pasta. I have some protein pasta and it's so yummy with salad. You know what? Instead of eating it here, I think I'm going to cross that out and we're going to take our own salad mix. We'll take salad. That's usually what we do. Okay, for Bible study. And I think I will carry that, and I will carry one salad mix. Because when we go out of town, we're always kind of hungry. And some dried fruit for snacks, especially dates. And some, let's see here, I also want to take some fresh fruit. So I'll take some fresh fruit. And, whoops, and, chocolate. Take some of my dark chocolate. I'm not completely on the vegan chocolate yet, but I'm getting there. Okay, guys, I think that's it. This is all I'm doing. I will be finishing up. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to email me. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, guys. Well, most importantly, may God bless your day. Have a blessed, creative, and lovely day, and I'll be talking to you soon. Bye-bye.